In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Wix Premium Auto Renew. If you're thinking about stopping your Wix subscription renewal, maybe you found a different platform or you simply want to pause your payments for a while, I'm here to guide you through the whole process. It's simple, and you can do it right from your dashboard. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix homepage. If you haven't bookmarked it, simply type wix.com in your browser and log into your account. This is where all the magic happens, so once you're logged in, make sure you're on the Wix dashboard to get started with the process. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll see your account name or a profile icon there. That's your gateway. Click on it. This little action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options that are tailored to your account configuration. Among these, you're going to find Account Settings. Go ahead and click that. On this Account Settings page, scan through your options until you come across Premium Subscriptions. The word premium is your keyword here, ensuring you're dealing with the right subscriptions rather than free services. Click on it to manage your premium plans. Now you're on the Premium Subscriptions page where all your active subscriptions are displayed. Scroll through your list until you find the active subscription that you wish to modify or cancel. Click directly on that subscription, which will take you to the next step. This is a crucial part. Look for a little icon, typically 3 dots, often referred to as the Settings or More Options icon. This is how Wix organizes additional commands related to your account. Click it to reveal a set of options. With those options now in front of you, one of them will be Cancel Subscription. Take a moment if you need, but when you're ready, click on Cancel Subscription. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the cancellation of your Wix Premium Auto Renewal. It's a process designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. A few clicks and you are done. Remember, canceling the auto renewal doesn't mean you lose access immediately. You can still enjoy your premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. This is a great way to ensure you're not paying for something you no longer need, while still getting your money's worth until the subscription fully runs out. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.